What's up, guys? Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the channel where we do stuff and talk shit. I don't know much about what I'm doing, but I'm trying to reach my Yeehaw Meemaw. I'm trying to get down in there and see what I can make and come up with and DIY on the daily. And I like to share it with you guys. I ordered something from Amazon, and I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna open it with y'all. Y'all can see. Oh, what is this? I don't know. I don't remember. I cut myself making candles. Let's see what this is going to be. Wireless power. Let's see what I done ordered and I done forgot about. Lord, child, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. Oh, it's a power bank. Hey, I always think of that. We've been having a lot of terrible, crazy weather in Mississippi, so get you one of these bad boys. That's neat. Get you one of those. I'll put the link in the bio. I just order stuff, y'all, and I just forget about it. That's neat. We'll try that out. But I was in the middle of making bread. I want to try my kitchen in the box. Super amazing. This is my first time trying it. But I've read the reviews and very, very, very excited to see what it's going to do for us. So I did 1 cup of water, warm water. And then I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to measure it. I'm just going to go with my heart. I'm going to take 2 cups of flour. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Wait, before I do that, I'm going to do about a teaspoon of olive oil. Let's see. Yep, about a teaspoon. I'm going to do brown sugar because I love brown sugar. No, I'm actually going to do honey. We'll do honey. We'll try honey. And we're going to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, yeah. We are going to mix it. A little bit of salt, a little bit more, a little more. Who cares? High blood pressure, whatever. Whatever makes your heart happy. You know, a little bit of honey, honey, honey for my baby. A little more. We love the honey. We loves it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it up. We're gonna do the yeast. Where to put my yeast? Welcome to my crazy kitchen. Yes, sir. Why did Eli take a nap and not me? Yes, you're taking a nap also, buddy. Active dry yeast. See? I don't want to eyeball the yeast because I am not like, I haven't used yeast very much. So we're not gonna eyeball it today. Maybe when I get better at doing this, I'll be able to eyeball. My husband eyeballs everything. He says it's like just in his soul. But we're gonna do. Eli, say hi to the camera. This is Eli digging in my flour. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of yeast. Paxton, say hello to the camera.
Hello. Would you like what we said?
Okay. In the bowl.
Like video. Mom, in the video.
You kind of just shook it up.
Look at our cute bunny.
That's our bunny.
Hi, Mom.
And then, oh, it already smells like bread.
In the video. In the video.
Yeah, baby, get in there. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi, viewers.
No, he's shaking it. Sorry, guys. Did I mention I was a mom? I'm a mom. That's the best part of life, is being a mom. That's why I want to do things like this and be more. Have you ever looked at a pack of bread? It's like 35 things. So, yeah, we're going to make our own with just a few items. And I think that's it. I'm going to stir it. Yeah, baby. Come on in. Welcome. I don't have any chairs in the kitchen. You're supposed to be napping, actually. I forgot. Mm. Well, yeah, we'll see. I might need a little bit more water. Baby, it's nap time for you, right? You do your own videos on your own channel. Everybody go look at Eli and Pax Explain. That's the boys' channel. Eli and Pax Explain. That's the boys' channel, and they do cool stuff on their video also. So